Hello everyone, it's our story time. Let's read the story together. A fun day. Tom and Ben go to the big red barn. Tom and Ben go to the big red barn. The sun is up. The sun is up. Ben has a hat. Ben has a hat. Tom has a tail. Tom has a tail. Let's dig, says Ben. Let's dig, says Ben. They dig a big pit. They dig a big pit. I see a bug. Tom says. I see a bug. Tom says. The bug is red. The bug is red. Run, Ben says. Run, Ben says. They run and laugh all day. They run and laugh all day. Gets the correct spelling. Bay. Bay. Very good. Tom. Tom. Excellent. All. All. Fantastic. Run. Run. Very good. Free. See. Very good.